Welcome to Maya Adventure! Welcome to Mini Hotel at Taichung. Mini Hotel has two branches, one in Fengxia near Fengxia Night Market and one in Taichung Station. As you can see, the hotel lobby is bright and white. It has many decorations. Entering this hotel, you can already feel the holiday vibes. In this video, we will do a 9 square meter double room tour and the facilities in this hotel, such as 24-hour reception, drink station, lounge, computers, laundry coin, rooftop zone, and the breakfast. Now let's get into the video.
Okay, we have just checked in at our hotel, yeah. Now going into our room. Almost Halloween. It's combination of Halloween as well as Christmas theme already. You see? All this is Halloween. Halloween theme, yeah.
What do you think is F?
First floor. Happy Halloween.
And you see the lobby, like it's okay, like
Very fancy.
yeah, very fancy, white, but you don't be surprised on the room because the name is already explanatory.
Mini.
Mini Hotel.
So it's really mini. I think it's going to be, double room is like this only. Very fascinating. Wow. Amazing.
It has a loft.
Let's go.
Oh, on the here we have the water dispenser.
Okay. Wow, probably different floor, different theme, yeah.
Oh, we are facing the lot, leh.
Super nice.
No, leh. Not the corner one.
Okay, not so nice.
They give us 2 keys. Wow. It's very small.
Let's go in.
Welcome to our mini hotel. But I think it's more suitable micro hotel than mini hotel. Because it's really small. So we came from this door and then we have the TV at the back of the door. Then it has 2 hangers and this one is like, I don't know for what.
Chair for you to sit.
And you can see the toilet already.
So this is the toilet, yeah. The toilet is clean. They have the sink, mirror, sets of towel. The toilet come with bidet, yeah. Nice. This is the bidet functionality, yeah. Stop, spray, strong for women, low, high, and more. If you have saver, you can plug here. Okay, comes with the mug for brushing your teeth. This is considered rare lah, especially in budget hotel. Then this is the shower room. Inside the shower room, they have both the shampoo and the body wash. Comes with 2 tissue.
Here also have toothbrush, cotton buds, and hair dryer. And beside the toilet, we have the lamp, the power. And do you know what is this cute crocodile is? It's a phone. How to pick up? And actually you can purchase this one as well. Here they have the price list. For example, the phone is 2050.
This is the two chair ya, for sitting and having your food on the table. Then they have this tissue box, comes with mirror. They have envelopes. This one I think the
Price list.
price list ya. TV remote here, comes with pen, and everything is, very tidy.
Yeah, and it comes with 2 water bottle, and this one is what?
Kettle,
No electricity.
kettle.
To fill the water from the water dispenser.
Water dispenser, correct.
But they don't give the coffee sachet or tea. So yeah, we have to provide ourselves, I think.
This too is not instant noodle ya. This is a mug for you to drink
Yeah,
from the water dispenser.
we can brew our tea ourselves and drink at the relaxation zone. Okay then, surprisingly, this mini hotel give us the
Fridge.
fridge. Part of the environmental friendly hotel, they didn't provide this at the room, so we have to request it for free. Items are like comb, slipper, razor, and shower cap.
I think there's something else.
Yeah, I think one more item. It's like we never use one lah, so we didn't get lah.
We didn't request for it.
Yeah, and for the safety, they put this cushion so that you won't knock your head because it is quite low.
Yeah.
But they should have on this side also, not below only. Okay, let's go to the loft. If you're having a dream to have a loft room, you can try this hotel. They also have this handle for easier climb. Let's go to the bed. So on this loft or we call it second floor they only have these 2 tiny lamp because we only use for sleeping light or maybe some reading if you want. And they have this USB port so you can charge your phone here and then put your phone inside the pocket there. Neat design. And of course, this mini hotel, this mini room comes with aircon. I think this room is not suitable for senior. Okay, so this is our room tour in mini hotel. What do you think of this mini hotel room? This is double room Please comment down below. So on the 8th floor we have coin operated laundry. Oh yeah, we can go to the rooftop.
Okay.
Now we see the 8th floor.
Wow, different theme. This one is pigs.
That one is,
This one, relaxation zone.
This one is laundry room. It's open until 11. That means now closed already.
Laundry room ya.
Yeah. It's $50. Welcome to the relaxation zone.
Let's go. They have this old phone ya.
Oh, we can see the Hotel Le Méridien. Very shiny.
This is the relaxation zone ya.
It's nice at night. Okay, turn out the tea and coffee is on the lobby. That's why they don't have it in the room. Maybe it's too small to drink coffee or tea.
The tea machine. Nescafe, yeah.
Coffee machine.
Coffee machine, sorry. And then this is the
Oh, Nesty lemon tea. This one is the cold one.
other one, yeah.
The cold one. And this one is looks like
They have lots of choice.
oh, this one is oolong tea.
Mm.
Oolong, not oolong. Okay, that's all. The breakfast just opened. And there are 2 computers.
If you need space to chill around, this is the area, yeah, on the lobby first floor. Okay, we are heading to the breakfast place, yeah. They have various kind of salad. Still salad. Egg and seaweed soup. Nice, yeah. This one, donkey porridge. Rice and minced pork, yeah. Chinese tea and white currant vegetable. They have 2-day special. Tofu. Not sure what is the just special Chinese food. It's like spaghetti. Like bread. Various choice of coffee and tea. So the breakfast room is quite spacious, yeah. Located on the middle floor between first floor and second floor. Okay. At 7 a.m. morning, the breakfast place is already crowded.
Good morning, everyone. So this is our breakfast season. This one is my fine dining breakfast. Yeah. I take lotus root, and this one is black bean. 5 pieces of black bean. This one is pickle, something. Very nice. I think put with in the porridge is super. And this one is like eating cactus, yeah. I don't know what is this, so I take because I'm adventurous person. It's like eating aloe vera, but without the spike. It's nice,
Crunchy.
Don't have the flesh, because it's very thin. Wow. Good finding.
What about the sauce? What flavor?
This one is waffle dressing.
Waffle dressing.
The taste is like French beans. Second off at fine dining breakfast.
Mini breakfast.
Spaghetti. They call it noodle. I don't know, it's noodle or spaghetti.
How?
Very sweet. Yeah, it's noodle.
Noodle cooked like spaghetti.
Very sweet and tomatoes. The cabbage, almost finished already.
That's the wealthy symbol, right? Cabbage.
Oh, it has ginger.
That's why I took lots of cabbage earlier. Symbol of wealthy.
Cabbage very soft. And this is part of salad.
Pickle.
You know?
Seaweed.
Yeah, not pickle. She smell.
She smell.
Yeah, seaweed has the sea smell. Okay.
Enjoy.
Okay. That's all our breakfast for today.
Okay, we are heading for the breakfast room ya. Thank you.
So this is the second day breakfast. The menu a bit different, yeah. I think this one is like fried rice. I don't know, but it look like fried rice.
I thought Hainan chicken rice.
I think all the cooked food is different.
This one today special, different from yesterday one. The house special soup also different. Yesterday was miso, today was I think ginseng soup. Okay, that's it our breakfast on day 2 in this mini hotel ya. Another unique thing that I found on this hotel is this. Yeah.
They provide a takeaway service to minimize the crowd at the breakfast area because it's quite small.
So they provide takeaway box from the breakfast menu upstairs so that you can enjoy at your own hotel room.
Yes, but it's also good if you have a early bus to catch or train to catch, then you can just do takeaway. Now let's go to the how to go to mini hotel from Taichung station. This is our first day of arrival, so we don't know the shortcut yet, so it looks a bit longer than it should be. From the Taichung station, walk towards the Taroko Mall.
Yeah, we are in front of Taroko Mall ya.
From Taroko Mall, turn right towards Twin Star Hotel, passing by the Starbucks at Taroko.
Okay, we turn left at Twin Star Hotel ya.
After that, you just go straight and you will pass by another entrance of Taroko Mall. And you will see the mini hotel in the next few building. Yeah, that's all our video about mini hotel in Taichung branch. Hope you find it useful for your next stay in Taichung. See you in the next adventure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.